Step 1. Remove trunk trim. There are 2 plastic clips on each side of the trunk that will need to be removed to be able to access the tail light mounting points and harness connections. Step 2. Remove tail light nuts and disconnect harness. There are 4 nuts that are holding in the tail light. These will need to be removed. After removing all the nuts, move to disconnecting the harness. Step 4. Remove tail light. You may need to wiggle the light off in order to completely free it. Once it's removed, you will need to pull out the harness by prying off the gasket holding it in place. We made it easy to have a proper sequential sequence by adding a colored sticker to each of the bulb sockets on the harness. The yellow socket as shown should be on the furthest socket from the center of the car. The blue will be the middle and the red should be the nearest to the center. Once properly installed, you should have a proper sequential sequence for both sides. Step 5. Install tail lights and harness. You can now fish the harness to the trunk and to get a proper seal. We also have a gasket on our harness. Our harness also has a relay box which can be tucked away and out of the way behind the tail light. Final step. Install flasher relay. The mounting location will be found under the driver's side dash as shown. All you need to do is swap the factory relay with ours and zip tie it in place. If you decided to use LED bulbs instead of halogen and are having issues with a bulb not turning on, then you just simply need to disconnect and flip the bulb and insert it back in place. Some LED bulbs are polarity sensitive, which means the bulb will only work if it is inserted one specific way. Please note that you cannot have a mix of LED and halogen bulbs when testing or using our sequential harness. This will cause the harness to not function properly. You can now finally enjoy your new unique style racing sequential harnesses without any issues.